always thinking someday when I can. Then Sunday came like a whisper call, said life ain't meant for waiting at all. So I took a chance most never do, bought a one-way ticket to something new. They said, take it easy, now you're older, but my dreams just got a little bolder. I didn't slow down, I changed my road, put down the heavy, let go of the load. Traded deadlines for a beachside chair, salt in the wind instead of worry in the air. From the USA to the Philippine tide, found a better life on the other side. Some folks quit, but I found my plan at 66. I became that man. Oh, I became that man. Now mornings start with coffee and waves, not alarm clocks and stressful days. Helping kids with simple things, turns out that's what freedom brings. Life don't end when the hair turns gray, that's just wisdom finding its way. Turns out the secret nobody told me, your best chapters are still unfolding. I didn't slow down, I came alive, finally learned what it means to thrive. Traded pressure for ocean breeze and found my peace in island seas. From the USA to this second star, found new fire inside my heart. Some people retire, I made a stand at 66. I began again. Yeah, I didn't slow down, I just started living.
Barefoot here on Pangil shore, dumadakal tiyayat ko more and more. Tibay-bay humuni itinalumay, as the sun drifts slowly away. Golden fire on the sea, naragsak di puso ko, finally free. No more hurry, no more race, adatal na ititay to your place. Tinidag pa ay itirabi, and heaven bends so close to me. Ay di langit, iti Pangil Beach, so beautiful beyond my reach. Orange, red, can blue, so deep. Di kararuwa ko akarkararag nagturog in peace. When the daylight says goodbye, Talna fills both earth and sky. Iti bye-bye, I clearly see at the Talna inside of me. Fishing boats against the flame, silhouette at tibiyag, always the same. And every sunset feels brand new. Saan nga agpadati kulay ken huwe, di ang inagayat nga Let it be tonight. Under stars that start to shine, heaven's peace becomes mine. Itibay-bay, I believe. Rangay kental na I receive. No wag tayag tagitirigatin tun bigat. If tomorrow feels mabigat, I'll remember this horizon line where dagat meets the divine. Ay di langit, iti Pangil wide, where hope and sunset coincide. Every ending softly shows di kinapinta city letting go. As the stars shine over me, naragsak, napnek, truly free. Iti Pangil, I finally see. Ti langit calm, ken kastamet ti biako. Bye-bye, langit, tana, Pangil, ayayatin ka.
Waves roll slow, like time forgot. Sand so warm, the world's a dark. A mango sky, the day half shot. Hang your shores where the breeze just hums, the ocean sings, the tide it drums. No need to run, no need to go, just let it flow. Just let it flow. Fishermen's boats like specks on glass. Mountains stand tall, they watch me pass. This quiet speaks, no questions asked. Salt in the air, salt in my soul. Everything melts, everything whole. Hang your shores where the breeze just hums, the ocean sings, the tide it drums. No need to run.
feet sinking in the golden sand. A quiet rhythm in this quiet land. Salt in the air, a whisper so sweet. The ocean hums where the sky and waves meet. Oh, Pangil breeze, you carry me far, blowing away the weight of who we are. No clocks, no calls, just endless blue on a Sunday afternoon with you. The sun winks slow behind the sea. A palette of peace paints over me. Palms are swaying in a lazy parade. Time forgets the plans it once made. Close my eyes, hear the tide, gentle hands where worries hide. Oh, Pangil breeze, you carry me far, blowing away the weight of who we are. No clocks, no calls, just endless blue on a Sunday afternoon with you. Waves roll in, they never pause. A soothing song without a cause. The world melts away in the ocean's embrace. Troubles dissolve without leaving a trace.
I didn't slow down. I gave my best years to the work and grind, punching that clock, just trading time. Uniform days and building plans, always thinking someday when I can. Then Sunday came like a whisper call, said life ain't meant for waiting at all. So I took a chance most never do, bought a one-way ticket to something new. They said, take it easy, now you're older, but my dreams just got a little bolder. I didn't slow down, I changed my role, put down the heavy, let go of the low. Traded deadlines for a beachside chair, salt in the wind instead of worry in the air. From the USA to the Philippine tide, found a better life on the other side. Some folks quit, but I found my plan at 66. I became that man. Oh, I became that man. Now morning start with coffee and waves, not alarm clocks and stressful days, helping kids with simple things. Turns out that's what freedom brings. Life don't end when the hair turns gray. That's just wisdom finding its way. Turns out the secret nobody told me, your best chapters are still unfolding. I didn't slow down, I came alive. Finally learned what it means to thrive. Traded pressure for ocean breeze and found my peace in island seas. From the USA to this second star, found new fire inside my heart. Some people retire, I made a stand at 66. I began again. Yeah, I didn't slow down, I just started living.
Barefoot here on Pangil shore, dumadakal tiyayat ko more and more. Tibay-bay humuni itinalumay as the sun drifts slowly away. Golden fire on the sea, naragsak di puso ko, finally free. No more hurry, no more race. Adatal na ititay-toy a place. Tinitag pa ay itirabi, and heaven bends so close to me. Ay di langit, iti Pangil Beach, so beautiful beyond my reach. Orange, red, kin blue, so deep. Di kararua ko akarkararag kay nagturog in peace. When the daylight says goodbye, Talna fills both earth and sky. Iti bye-bye, I clearly see at the Talna inside of me. Fishing boats against the flame, silhouette at ibiyag, always the same. And every sunset feels brand new. Saan nga agpadati kulay ken huwe, di ang inagayat nga umay whispers hope at end of day. I stand still, I breathe in slow. Di pa mati ko agtubo, no applause, no loud parade. Just the obra di Apo anaramid. Ay di langit, iti Pangil Beach, painting dreams we cannot reach. Amber fades to violet light. Akarkal matirapi tonight under stars that start to shine. Heaven's peace becomes mine. Iti bye-bye, I believe. Rangay kental na I receive. No agtayap tagitirigatin ton bigat. If tomorrow feels mabigat, I'll remember this horizon line where dagat meets the divine. Ay di langit, iti Pangil wide, where hope and sunset coincide. Every ending softly shows, di kinapintas iti letting go. As the stars shine over me, naragsak, napnek, truly free. Iti Pangil,
like time forgot. Sand so warm, the world to die. A mango sky, the day half shot. Hang your shores where the breeze just hums, the ocean sings, the tide it drums. No need to run, no need to go, just let it flow. Just let it flow. Fishermen's boats like specks on glass. Mountains stand tall, they watch me pass. This quiet speaks, no questions asked. Salt in the air, salt in my soul. Everything melts, everything whole. Hang your shores where the breeze just hums, the ocean sings, the tide it drums. No need to run, no need to go, just let it flow. Just let it flow. Coconut shadows stretch so wide, dreams roll in like the evening tide. Stars will whisper, they'll confide. Stay a while, no need to hide.
Feet sinking in the golden sand. A quiet rhythm in this quiet land. Salt in the air, a whisper so sweet. The ocean hums where the sky and waves meet. Oh, Pangil breeze, you carry me far, blowing away the weight of who we are. No clocks, no calls, just endless blue on a Sunday afternoon with you. The sun winks slow behind the sea. A palette of peace paints over me. Palms are swaying in a lazy parade. Time forgets the plans it once made. Close my eyes, hear the tide, gentle hand Ilocos Norte.